Welcome to Sir Francis Online Tuition, powered by Odum Business Consult. Please learn more at www.ghanaonlineeducation.com. Okay, and if you have any question or suggestion, you can WhatsApp me on the number that you see on the screen. Today we are going to look at WASSCE 2019 Financial Accounting, question number 8. Okay, and it's a question that I think some students will find it difficult, but I'll do my best to let you understand whatever that we are going to do here. Okay, and it has to do with correction of errors. So the question is what you see on the screen. And this is the trial balance given. You have the debit side, the credit side of the trial balance. You have the information attached to the trial balance or the errors that was discovered. Okay. And the question is saying that we should rectify the errors using journal entries, and also we should prepare a suspense account. So we have only requirement A and B in the original question. Okay, but I decided to add C to it. I thought in some of the questions that you meet, you see something like this. After rectifying the errors in such a question like this, the examiner can ask you to redraft the trial balance after rectifying the errors. But the 2019 question, the option C was not part. I decided to add it to it. Okay. So let's go through the question and see what we can do. The question says that the trial balance was extracted from the books of the HEMA Ventures on 31st December 2015. Okay, so this is the trial balance. You see your fixed assets, your current assets, your creditors, and other information in it. The following errors were discovered. Okay, so these were the errors that was discovered at the end of the day. And before I move on to the solution itself, let me use this opportunity to enlighten you on certain things. Maybe this might be the first time of hearing something like this, or perhaps you have forgotten what your tutor taught you in school. So let me use this opportunity to do some revision or recap with what you've already been taught. Okay, in accounting, because we are following the double entry principle in recording transaction, at the end of the period, the debit side and the credit side of the trial balance should be the same. Okay, the amount at the debit side and that of the credit side should look the same or should be the same. But due to one or two reasons or mistakes that we do commit when we are recording transaction in the books of the business, at times the assertion never come to pass. Okay, so if you look at this question, you could see that the suspense account has been inserted at the debit side of the trial balance, meaning the debit side of the trial balance at the end of the day, when the accountant drafted the trial balance, the debit side fell short of 1,120. Okay, so a suspense account was inserted at the debit side of the account so that the two sides will look the same. Then an investigation was conducted to reveal why we had a difference or a shortage at the debit side. And upon investigation, these errors were observed or were identified. So the examiner is telling us that these errors brought about this difference. So as a student or as a junior accountant, you are to use the journal entry to rectify these errors so that the difference that you see here will be no more. Okay, so that's what we are going to look at. Okay, and you are going to use the journal entry to do that. So this is where I'll end the series on this presentation. In our upcoming series or presentation, we are going to start with the requirement A, which says we should rectify these errors using the journal. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do that. Our YouTube channel is GOE TV. Kindly subscribe to that and share this video with your colleagues on all your social media platforms so that they will also benefit from this wonderful tuition, and spread the good news about Ghana Online Education Tuition. And you can learn more at www.ghanaonlineeducation.com. Thank you. See you soon.